Okay, Susie, this is for you. This is Chance's Cheeseburger Wednesday. Hi, Chance. There you go. Where'd you go? Chance? Where'd you go? Come back. Bring it back. No, bring it back. Come on. Come. Where are you going? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let's go find him. Where'd you go? Bring it here. Where'd you take it? Where are you going with it? Are you gonna give it back to me? He went out in the backyard with it. Bring it in. Bring it in. Chance, come. Can I have it? Can I have it? Oh. Thank you. There's a hole in the bag. Say bye, Susie. You want your cheeseburger? Speak. Woof. Come here. Jan, Brenda's not here. Do you want it? Sit. Sit. You gonna sit? You'll get it if you sit. Sit. Stop protesting. Alright, say bye-bye.